Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed in Windows 11. So first what I will do, I will go in the settings, open settings, and then I will go in network and internet, and then I will go in Wi-Fi, and then after that I will go in my in a Wi-Fi connection. This is my Wi-Fi connection. I will go over here, and then after that I will go and I will turn this metered connection. So this is the first step that I will do. So just turn it off. So now after this, what I'm going to do is I will go in the search bar. This is the second method you will apply. You will type delivery delivery optimization settings. You will select this option. Okay, you just need to type delivery optimization settings, and then after that you have to make sure that this option should also be turned off. If it is turned on, you have to make sure that this should be turned off. So now after that I will just close this, and then I will go to the third step, which is change DNS to the faster public DNS. So I'm going to change the DNS. So for that, what you're gonna do is just go to the network, view network connection. So I will just go to this option, view network connection, and after that I will go to my internet connection. This is the internet Wi-Fi connection. I will go to my properties. So go to properties, just right click and go to properties, and then after that you will go down and select this option. Just uncheck and just check this option and go to properties, and after that select this, and then you will have to type this DNS. So 8.8.8.8, and then after that type 8 again, dot 8, and over here 8.8, 8.8 dot 4.4, and then I will click OK and close. So this is the third step that you are going to perform. You have to change the DNS to public DNS, which is faster. And then after that, I will restart my computer. So see you after the restart. So I've done the restart, and I hope after performing all these steps, the download speed will be better. If the issue is still not fixed, the last step that you can try is reset network settings. So what you can do is go in the settings first, and then after that you will go in the network and internet, and after that you will go down and you will select this option, advanced network settings, and then after that you will go down and you will just click to this option, network reset. After that you will click reset now, and it will reset your network settings and it will restart your computer. So I'm not going to do it right now. So do it if the performance is still not better. So at the end, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.